Welcome to the resilient section of the Mannington booth. My name is Mary Katherine Dyczko-Riglin. I am the sheet vinyl product manager, and I am really excited to show you all of the new introductions that we have this year because they are going to knock your socks off. First up, I'm going to show you Anchorage. This pattern is phenomenal. If you like the beachy scene, if you like a shiplap look, if you love Fixer Upper and can't wait for them to come back on TV, well, you can have your own version of that in your house now with Anchorage. We've got two absolutely stunning colors. Marina, which we're showing right now, has so much beautiful color play. You can see all the plank in the plank, and with it being sheet vinyl, of course, you don't have to worry about cleaning all of those grout lines or in between planks. Nothing's going to get down in there because it's waterproof. It's one big seamless installation that's just going to look fantastic and be super easy to maintain. You can see we also have this nice subtle, more of a grayish look here with Anchor. That's if you were looking for this look, but you don't want to be quite as bold as we have in the Marina color here, because maybe you want to have some more bold accents in your home to offset it. Anchor is a great option so that you can still get the shiplap look, but it's not going to be quite overpowering in your room. So next up, we've got what I consider one of our best introductions, which would be Carrera. And so Carrera is an absolutely stunning Carrera marble look. You can see over here, we've got two great colors of it because Carrera is so popular in the homes right now. And one of the cool things about the one that we have here in ivory is gold accents like this beautiful necklace are really coming on trend in homes. And you can see how great the gold really pops when you look at it against this gold tone Carrera marble look. We also have the gray version up here, if that's more of your color palette in the more neutrals, cool looks. So we've got something for those that like their home in the cool colors versus the warm colors. Either way, you can have a beautiful installation of the Carrera marble. You can see we have it on the show floor here. It is stunning. People are stopping in their tracks, so excited about seeing this pattern and then realizing it's in sheet vinyl, so they don't have to, again, worry about the maintenance of the grout lines. They're always going to be as beautiful as they are right now. And you're going to clean up your kids' messes and your dog's messes and all of your everyday life activities that go on this sheet, and it's going to still look as beautiful as it does right now. And then our last great introduction that we have, Carrera and Morocco are both in our Revive line, as you can tell by how exciting the patterns are. And Morocco is falling into our trend of the encaustic tiles that we've been looking at and following the trend in the homes and in the ceramic look over the last couple of years. Again, our styling team always challenging them to come up with something new and exciting. So with Morocco, they've gone with this beautiful 6-inch customized look. Our styling team does such an amazing job. They actually take all of the time to hand paint these tiles while they're designing it, so it looks like you have a custom floor in your home. They have all of these beautiful grout lines that you can see here. You can see all of the rustic look as though this is a real tile, as though it's a beautiful clay tile that the clay has come up around the edges. It looks just like that. The realism is there without the maintenance. We've got such beautiful looks here. We're really excited for you to come and check them out.